We often stand before a closed door, feeling the weight of a path denied. We see the intricate details, the promise of what could have been, and wonder why it wasn't for us. But what if that closure isn't a barrier, but a form of protection? Sometimes a closed door is the universe's way of guarding your energy, preserving your spirit for a journey that is truly meant for you. It's a quiet act of grace, shielding you from a future you weren't meant to navigate. It's so easy to mistake a no for a personal rejection, but not every denial is a final verdict. Often it's a gentle redirection. That sleek door you thought held your dreams might have only shown you a reflection of what you thought you should be. But turn around. There might be a weathered garden gate, unassuming yet open, leading to a winding path that feels more like home. Some endings are not failures. They are wise course corrections. So we learn to walk the hallway of the unknown, accepting that not every door is meant for us to open right now. We learn patience as the elevator descends, or as the train doors slide shut, carrying us away from one destination and toward another. This isn't about giving up. It's about surrendering to a timeline greater than our own impatient desires. It's about finding peace in the quiet moments of waiting, knowing that our journey is still unfolding exactly as it should. Trust what did not open for you. Trust the timing, the redirection, and the quiet wisdom in the space between what you wanted and what is to come. Let go of the handle. Release the need to force what isn't ready. True strength lies in this gentle surrender, in the faith that the light will find its way through the cracks, promising a new day and a new beginning that is worth the wait.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.